Hello, my name is Vernon John Ledger from the Ground Level Youth Center and Right to Play program. Today, we're going to do Mythbusters, and we're going to make tree puppets. And this Mythbusters program, I'm going to make a bunch of statements about trees. Then we're going to have a Zoom meeting on Tuesday, March 16th at 4:30 p.m. Whoever participates in this Zoom meeting is going to be entered into a draw to win Ladderball bowlers. So here we go. We have a special guest. Just hold on, let me get him. Hello, my name is Mother Teresa, and welcome to Mythbusters. That's right, I said Mother Teresa. And by the way, in case you hadn't noticed or recognized, I'm a tree, and my name is Mother Teresa. Ain't it great? I think it's pretty good. Anyway, here we go. Let us ask the questions, and you can decide whether or not these are true or false. Here we go. Question number 1. Trees sleep at night. True or false? Question number 2. Trees drink water at night. What do you think? Question number 3. Trees breathe through their bark. Woof, woof, woo! Question number 4. Street lights don't do anything to trees. True or false? Question number 5. Trees can talk. What do you think? Do you think trees can talk? Question number 6. Trees can talk to humans. Do you think trees can talk to humans? Question number 7. Trees can scream. Ah! True or false? Ah! Question number 8. Trees have gender. Question number 9. Female trees do different things than male trees. True or false? And the final question, question number 10. Trees often die of old age. Take your best guess. This has been Mother Teresa. Ciao for now. Thanks for participating.